Performance Max is freaking amazing. Google is telling us what audiences are working best for our products and services, independent of the audiences we're targeting. Google is telling us additional audiences outside of the audiences we've chosen to target that are performing for our products, so we can create asset groups target specifically for those audiences. It's unbelievable. I'm going to show you what I mean. So we have this campaign that we're running for a client. The client sells a shelf-stable food product, as much as I can say. They sell a food product that will last a very long time. In their insights section, inside of Performance Max, you'll see 2 new audience segments. This is brand new, by the way. Like, we just started for them. Google gives us green living enthusiasts. Checks out. Makes sense. Here's the one I was excited about. Boating and sailing enthusiasts. Of course. I never even would have freaking considered it. But a client, we were going after people that were, disaster preparedness type folks. However, somebody that's into boating and sailing is going to need food that lasts a really long time and is in containers that are, waterproof and those types of things. And I'm honestly, shame on me for not even thinking about that. But that's the beauty of Performance Max, is as you're pushing out your marketing, Google starts to identify the audiences that are working for you, and then it's incumbent upon you to go and create an asset group specifically for that audience. It's unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this. Of course, in the past, we've seen, and not just Google, other ad mechanisms show you, of the audiences that you've selected, which audiences are performing better. I've never seen a marketing mechanism tell me new audiences that are performing and provide. Now, we've had suggested audiences in the past, but it's always been like, test it and good luck with you, that, and it's probably not going to work. This shows in real time, based off of who's already purchasing, what audience they're in, and where we need to start putting our muzzle. It's amazing. It's unbelievable. I'm so happy. So excited. If you're running Performance Max campaigns and you're seeing audience insights, I'd love to hear your feedback, because I'm seeing Google get like crazy granular. And how specific is that, by the way? Like, that is not a zoomed out boating and sailing enthusiasts. Like, it's damn near as niche as you can freaking get. And they make up 30% of our conversions. So anyway, super cool. And as I see this audience, it gives me ideas for other audiences that would be perfectly applicable for this client that I'm just not targeting yet. So it's awesome to see Google go audience-based. I just think the sky's the limit here as far as what we can do strategically. I'm really excited about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to soul8.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.